Hello, good afternoon everyone, or good morning wherever you are. So today, I just received a special mail from my Nature Trust of New Brunswick family. So I'm currently here in Whapmagoostui now, and they sent this mail to me all the way from Fredericton, New Brunswick. So let's open it. What could it be? So it's that's me. I think this is their gratitude report for last year. So I actually worked with the Nature Trust of New Brunswick last year for my Canadian Conservation Corps Stage 2. So thank you so much, Sab, and everyone from the NTNB family, Stephanie, Bethany, PJ, and all the lovely, amazing, wonderful people from the Nature Trust, all the staff, all the volunteers, and all the people from New Brunswick. So thank you so much. I'm so happy. Let's see what else are inside. So special. It feels so special, and thank you so much. I really have a special space for my heart, in my heart. The Nature Trust has a special space in my heart, and I will always treasure all the experience I've had there. And I love you all, NTNB family.